Hello everyone. Today we have talk about the effect of the strength and concentration of nucleophiles. So let's start this topics. In SN1 reaction, the nucleophile is involved in the first steps on which the rate of reactions does not depend. Therefore, the rate of SN1 reaction is unaffected by both the strength and concentration of nucleophile. We have in previous lectures we have talked about this SN1 and SN2. We have looked at it. SN1 in this SN1 reactions, rate of reaction does not depend upon the strength and the concentration. But in SN2 reaction, the nucleophile is involved in slow and rate determining steps. The nucleophile appearings in the rate's law of reaction. Therefore, the rate of SN2 reaction increase both the strength and concentration effect. So we have talked about the previous chapter. The strength of concentrations and the reactants both are depend upon in SN2 reactions, but in SN1 independent from the strength and concentration. So this is the effect of strength and concentration on nucleophile. And the second topic is solvent. What is the role in solvent? The waters and alcohol are polar protic solvent. They can solvent both cation and anion. For example, when sodium chloride is surrounded in water, both N plus and Cl minus ion become surrounded by water molecules by ion develop interactions, as shown in figure 3. This is an N plus anion solvent, ये cation solvent, तो ये भी get लिया, ये भी get. तो this is a solvent effect. This is a solvent effect, and in the aqueous medium, some nucleophile have arranged in the decreasing order of their nucleophile. In aqueous mediums, some of the nucleophile are arranged in the decreasing order, as is cyanide, iodide, hydroxide, bromines, acetate, chlorine, fluorine, water. This is the orders for nucleophile in aqueous medium. Nucleophilicity orders of halide ions aqueous mediums can be explained. न्यूक्लियोफिलिसिटी अगर एक aqueous solution है उसमें क्या क्या है? चार्ज कांस्टेंट्स, रेडियस डिक्रीजेस, पीआर रेशियोज इंक्रीजेस, डिग्री ऑफ हाइड्रेशंस इंक्रीजेस, हाइड्रेशंस नंबर्स इंक्रीजेस, इफेक्टिव चार्ज इंक्रीजेस, न्यूक्लियोफिलिसिटी इंक्रीजेस. तो ये सारा ही चीज़ अगर एक न्यूक्लियोफिलिसिटी ऑर्डर देखेंगे अल्काइल हैलाइड्स का एक्वस मीडियम में, तो ये सारा टेबल. अभी हम लेके एक बहुत ही छोटा सा टॉपिक्स पढ़ लेते हैं, फैक्टर्स वाला. तो एक फैक्टर्स का टॉपिक है जो कि बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट है, वो हम लोग देख लेते हैं थोड़ा सा, बस उसके बाद ख़त्म है लेक्चर. फैक्टर्स इन्फ्लुएंस रेट ऑफ न्यूक्लियोफिलिसिटीज़. क्या क्या फैक्टर्स पे डिपेंड करता है न्यूक्लियोफिलिसिटी? न्यूक्लियोफिलिसिटीज़ रिएक्शंस में फॉलो दैट SN1 and SN2 mechanism. Their reactions rates will be affected by such structures of alkyl halide groups, natures of living groups, natures of nucleophiles, natures of solvent. Let us talk about one by one. Structures of alkyl groups. The reactions rates toward the gives nucleophile in SN2 reactions vary with the structures of order of the activity. In this SN2 reactions, primary is 1 degree, then 2 degree, then 3 degree. What are the reasons? Steric hindrance is also important in SN2 reactions and above orders of the activity. Also so that SN2 reactions are either slow and with alkyl halide for the same reason. The greater the numbers of alkyl halide shielding a carbon, the greater the hindrance the backside approach the attacking nucleophile. So this is the reasons why the backside attacks, because more the steric hindrance, the more the problems, more energies are required to leave the groups and join the groups. In contrast, SN1 reaction are almost free from the steric hindrance. SN1 reactions are almost free from the steric hindrance. Why? Because this reason. Rate determining steps, much reactions does not involve in rate determining steps are not involved. That's why electronic factor is electronics factors in SN1 reactions is suggest following reactant tertiaries, secondaries and primary. in SN1 reactions, no factors, no electronics factors and something. Third one is second is natures of living groups. Alkyl halides are usually alkyl subtract in this reaction SN1 and SN2. Although alkyl sulfite alcohol has also been used. Among alkyl halide decreasing orders Ri, H, Rbr, Cl, Rf. Stronger the acid corresponding to the halogens, better. That halogen is a living group. HI is very strong acid than HF relatively to weak acid. This is the living groups. Which one is the better living groups? Natures of nucleophiles. Powerful nucleophiles favor in SN2 mechanism. Mild oxidizing agent. Alcohol, water tend to favor in SN1 mechanism. Low concentration of nucleophiles favor SN1 mechanism, but high concentrations of nucleophile favor SN2 mechanism. So this was the factors. Thank you. The video is very affordable. We look at and watching these videos for helpful in examination. Between the next videos for new purpose, new topics.